Dick ratings. All right, so YouTube might pull this down. I'm not sure how they're going to like this or whether they'll dislike this or whether they'll leave it up or whatever. I just want to drop some knowledge on you bad boys. So, along with dick ratings, make sure you make the sub pay for it. And here's how you do that. So earlier, someone sent this in to me on Empire. I thought it was pretty cool. Don't know where they got it from, but it looks pretty cool. So it is a whole bunch of dick ratings. They're pretty much just templates. So when a guy inevitably sends a picture of his cock, you can send one of these and go, bam, and make them feel real good. But I thought, why not one up that and get some money out of them in the meantime? So pretty much when a guy sends a picture of his dick or he's requesting a dick rating, which seems to be pretty popular. I had to do some chatting in my time when I first started my agency. Had to be in the trenches, couldn't afford to hire anyone, so I had to chat myself. So I know all about it and I've seen it all, unfortunately. But here's what I figured out. I figured out when you give them a rating, why not lock it as a PPV? Because yes, you can do that. PPVs don't just have to be images on OnlyFans. You can write some text, lock it, and then the sub has to pay that money to unlock to see the text. It doesn't even have to be an image file in there. So I figured, hey, when a guy sends a picture of their dick asking for a rating, I would send something like this. I didn't have this back then. I'm pretty sure I had another template. I'm not sure if it's already on Empire or not, but it was something like this. Depending on what it looked like, you try and be somewhat relevant. So, you know, if they've obviously got an objectively small dick, you're not going to say it's large or too large because then it's going to be like, you know, they know you're full of shit. But you'll send whatever suits them, which will make them feel good as well. And then here's what I figured out. I figured out, hey, let's copy paste that out of my template and we'll lock it inside a PPV. And then you just say something like, there it is with that, you know, that little winky emoji. And then they'll see the locked PPV and they'll go, what, where is it? There it is. And then they have to pay for it, unlock it, and then they'll see the dick rating. So they'll get a thrill out of it. One, because they're having to pay for it, so they've placed a high value on the rating. Two, because the rating itself will make them feel good. And three, you're being playful, you're not easy. If you've seen my other content, you'll know that I say when it's too easy, a guy kind of doesn't like it. They like a challenge. It's like dangling a cat with a piece of string. If you dangle a piece of string in front of a cat wants the string, but if you give the cat the whole ball of string, it gets bored. Guys are like that too. So with this, you're not making it too easy for him because it's not easy. He's placed a higher value on it. Then it means more. Now, what do you get out of it? You get fucking cash. So that's it. That's what I have for you bad boys. Look, I'm not sure where this came from. Someone just sent it to me. He could have ripped it off a course, off a website. Who the fuck knows? But I'm just saying, use templates or a preset of dick ratings. And then when a guy wants a dick rating, send it locked inside a PPV so you get cash and he gets what he wants. And that's it. Hope you liked it. So if you liked the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.